What's up guys, this in front of me it's Audi A6 45 S-Line 2023 model Quattro TDI. In this video we will talk about all its features that this car comes with, cost of ownership, practicality and its safety features. Welcome to another review. Audi is well known in building luxury cars from decades. Today we have all new 2023 model A6 45 S-Line Quattro. It competes with cars like BMW 5 Series, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, Lexus ES, Volvo S90, Mercedes GLC. Talk about exterior design. Dimensions on this car are 2.1 meter wide, 4.9 meter long and 1.45 meter high, and weight of this car is 1740 kgs. 8 exterior design on this car. This one here is glacier white. On headlights you get LED and matrix LED headlights. On this car matrix LED is optional. On this car you have full LED headlamps, upfront daytime running lights as well as turn signals are all LED powered. Then you have headlight washers at the bottom of the headlights. You get big bulky sporty look chrome grille that this car comes with, runs right at the bottom of the bumper. Down at the bottom we have the front parking sensors, and this car has the sports package, which means you get some pretty good looking wheels. You get 19-inch alloy rims with 245 45 19-inch low profile run flat tires. Very good tires, appropriate for all the seasons. You get chrome element around the windows, on the doors and on the grille as well as on the boot lid. It goes along nice with glacier white color. Take a look on the side. We have electric LED auto fold mirrors with LED turn signals and blind spot indicator on the inside. All outer door handles have the smart key entry. You just tap outside on the handle to lock and tap inside to unlock. That's for all the handles. Panoramic oversized sunroof, and on the roof we have the shark fin. And let's have a look at the back. We have full LED tail lamps and dynamic turn signals. Brake light, park light and reverse lights are all LED powered, and chrome strip that goes through tail light and through the boot lid. At the bottom we have 2 exhaust pipes and parking sensors. Rear camera given on the boot lid. Okay, talk about boot. You can easily open it with the key. This is an electric boot lid which can be opened and closed electrically. A6 is wide and long, which provides useful space for loading luggage. Boot capacity on this car is 560 liters. If you fold rear seats, you get about 1680 liters. In this particular Audi A6 45 Quattro S-Line, you get 3-liter inline turbocharged diesel engine with 183 kilowatt of power and 600 Newton meter of torque. Top speed on this car is 250 km per hour, 0 to 100 km per hour in only 6.1 seconds. Fuel consumption on this car is 7.7 liter per 100 km. It has fuel tank capacity of 73 liters, which means with full tank of diesel you can do about 948 kilometers. You also get base model engines on this Audi A6, which is 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with 140 kilowatt of power and 400 Newton meter of torque. 0 to 100 in only 8.4 seconds. This car is very balanced over the edges and curves. So we have 7-speed dual clutch automatic Quattro all-wheel drive gearbox, very quick and crispy while changing gears. This car is also a mild hybrid vehicle, which means it has small electric engine which turns the motor in certain situation instead of using starter. Okay, let's have a look at the interior. The interior design of this A6 is elegant and modern with dual touch screens, reducing the number of physical buttons in the cabin. Look at driver's door, nice soft material. You also get 2-person memory seat settings. We also have power folding and heated mirrors, full power comfortable leather seats, and we have contrast stitching as well. They are fully electric and very comfortable, and it can be adjusted from the controls given on the side of the seats. When you start the A6, the steering wheel lowers up the position and memory seats do their job. Let's start here at steering wheel. Very nice soft leather and comfortable to hold your hand. Pedal shifters to either side of the steering wheel. As far as controls, we have all the controls for the cockpit over there. Audi's digital instrument cluster further adds to the premium appeal of the cabin. The perceived quality is excellent. In fact, A6 interior is difficult to fault in terms of fit and finish. The new dual screen setup equipped with MMI navigation, plus the upper 10.1 inches screen houses all the main media functions such as infotainment system, telephony, navigation system and apps, while lower one mostly control the climate control settings. It's also where you can adjust head-up display. The infotainment system comes with FM, AM and DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and built-in navigation system. Start button on the left hand side here, 2 decent sized cup holders and key holder. We have 12 volt socket here. We also have a unique gear lever as well. You can also adjust your driving modes from comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. Parking aid function as well. A face size center console storage with wireless phone charging and 2 USB-C ports. A decent sized cubby holder storage as well. This car is huge. A lot of room at the back, leg room is good, toe room is good, headroom is also quite a lot. You also have the center armrest and room to store your drinks. 2 air vents at the back, digital climate control for rear seats and 12 volt socket. Security features, you have 360 view camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, front and side impact airbags, knee airbag and overhead airbag, lane keep assistance, lane departure assistant, auto braking system, spot monitoring on the mirrors and cruise control. Audi A6 45 TDI 183 kilowatt Quattro S-Line 2023 model starts from 1,258,200 Rand. It comes with 5 years warranty and 100,000 kilometer maintenance plan. Don't forget to like, share and comment. For more car content, subscribe my channel. See you soon.